How to force restart an iPhone 11. If you have been using the iPhone 11 and wondering on how to force restart on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the iPhone 11 just like this. After opening it, you need to find or locate the buttons beside your mobile phone, which is a power button and the volume button. Now to force restart it, simply keep on pressing on those buttons together just like this, and after that you will simply see something like this on your mobile screen. Now to force restart, simply slide to power off just like this, and after doing that your iPhone 11 will be powered off and you can simply turn it back on. And that's it. This is how you can force restart an iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.